What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I'm going to be putting on the Unicorn UB Pro from Supcase for the Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel 8. Now they did send these over to me to check them out, and I appreciate it. As always, Supcase has these beautiful upgrades, I should say, or add-ons to their cases, man. And a lot of people don't use these, but they can be useful. I mean, it just depends on who you are, depending on where you work or what use you have for them, but these can be useful. These belt clips are very nice, and a lot of people probably use them. I used to use them when I was a lot younger, but I don't anymore. So let's go ahead and pop these on. I took them out of the packaging. It just comes in a generic box. You know how the Supcase packaging is. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in. And it wants you to remove this. And then I'll pop Bay in here. Like that. And then I always go bottom first. And I just work it. Make sure you work it all the way around like this. Make sure you do it all the way around. And then you can go ahead and peel that off. And I do have a tempered glass on mine. So, you know, bear that in mind. But it still works. Yes. That's good. It still works. So I'll go ahead and put on the 8 as well. Power button feels good. This feels a little bit better now. This feels different. I like it. Power button feels good. Volume rocker feels good. You do have this covered port down here for your charging port. That's covered. It's always like that. And you got a speaker grill out front. Camera module is cut out up there. And obviously you have the camera recessed now. Not too bad either. It's not too bulky. They must have made some changes to this case because it doesn't feel as bulky as it used to feel. Or it could be just that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are so thin that, you know, that's just what it is. But here's Bay all wrapped up. Now let's get the 8 in here. So you just hit it that corner down there. There's instructions on the case. Obviously you can't mess this up. It tells you grab right there to release it. Take that all in one fell swoop. All right. Now I don't have a screen protector on this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one in. You can see there. It just goes right on. You know, I really like certain phone sizes because when you want to wear big cases like this or bigger cases like this, they don't hurt so bad. Meaning they're not as big and bulky as some other phones that are ginormous. And even the Pixel 8 Pro being as big as it is, it still doesn't feel that bad with this case on. It's like they did something to it. I don't know. But they obviously have the kickstand on them both, so that's good. And make sure you set your fingerprint reader up. I don't have to, that's pretty good. I don't got to adjust my fingerprint reader or nothing like that. So power button is good. Volume rocker is good, man. I like it. So it's a pretty sleek case. Obviously you've got your cutouts. Make sure that microphone is cut out, camera cut out down there. And obviously you got the covered port down here. You got a spot for a lanyard right there. That's crazy. You got a spot for a lanyard. And then you got this kind of faux carbon fiber look, but it's actually really textured and grippy along there. The power button is actually really grippy too. So there they are, man. The Unicorn UB Pros for the 8 and 8 Pro. These are really nice cases. I've always rocked with them back in the day. It's your man Jay. If you want to get these, check the links in the description. I'll see you in the next video. And stay locked because I got something really nice from Supcase I'm going to show you. Yeah, you're going to love it. Wait on that video.